Hi, this short little video will show you how to record in Screencast-o-matic. So to start your recorder, just click record. In Screencast-o-matic, this block will always open up. Here we can record the screen, right? We can record our webcam. Just need to activate your webcam the first time. Just select integrated for webcam, and then here I am. Hi. Okay, click OK. We can close that. Now we have a webcam. We can then also just cancel that, start the recorder from the start because we don't want to see me all the time. We can go back to screen if we'd like, or what's really cool, we can actually use both, and this is recording picture in picture, so this will be there consistently through, and we're actually able to make this quite large in the video itself. Alright, but for our purposes we only want a screen recording for today. We just then go down and we'll see if we have max time and it says none, you've installed the program correctly, right? So if it was not, it would give you a 15-minute file size limit, but in our case we did it correctly. Here we can select the size of the recording, so here we've got it at 720, right, which is high definition, but we're interested in full screen. Then we also can select our microphone. So if you're using a USB microphone, you'll be able to see your USB mic there. So just select it and always select the auto. Here we can decide if we want to record system sounds. In this one I'm going to say no because it's not really relevant. You also have some preferences that you can select. But yeah, I think let's maybe move on. Let me just show you preferences. Preferences is where you can select certain keys for a shortcut. But again, I think the program works so intuitively that I think it's overkill to set that up in most instances. If you click Smart Draw and Zoom, you can do that, and it opens up different options. You can actually mark up on your screen, and you can select the thickness of the ink, and as well if you would like to see the cursor or not. As I said, I think for what we want to do, it doesn't really matter for now, because this is more to be used for explaining software, or if you would like to draw on stuff on your recording, which can be useful. But let's hit record to start our recording. You'll see the page go grey, counts down 1, 2, 3, go. You'll have this on the bottom left hand side with a pause button, and you'll see your timer run. So now if we want to record our PowerPoint, we just start our PowerPoint presentation. So here we can go, welcome to our blended and online assessment presentation. My name is Neil Crum, and I'll be taking you through the following session. So let's start off with our first activity. Please share your experiences in our online forum that we created. What have you done? How was it? What was the stakes, etc. Once we are finished, we can say click on the pause button. Our PowerPoint, we can escape that, we can close that, and we can say done. It gives us the option to save and upload if we would like to do that, or just edit video. So in this case we want to save and upload, because we don't want to edit right now. We can rename our recording, and here we can put in blended and online for argument's sake. Right, so once we've named our folder, our file, our recording, we can just either export it now as a video, save as video file, or we can go back, and upload it to YouTube or upload it to Screencast-o-matic.